guys, welcome back to the
Kid Cam.
And today we are going to be toy reviewing these awesome, cool RC cars.
Now it's starting. Come on guys, let's do this. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, I did that.
Oh, there we go. Okay, let's take this part out.
Wow, that stuff looks so cool.
We can use it for monster jams.
Yeah,
Oh,
well,
here's your trap. Wait. This is actually really hard. If you guys need help, then ask a parent. Hey Dad, we need your help. Whoa, this is so cool. Here, I'll open up the remote because it's wobbly. There we go. Voila.
Wow, it's so cool.
Whoa, look, there's even a charger. Here, we'll open that later. Let's open the monster truck.
We opened this one. Now let's open Peyton.
Oh yeah, let's go and open my RC car.
Look at these batteries. They work so weird.
Now
Why
that
are they
we
blue?
know how to open RC cars, now I know.
I have my
Here
RC
is
car.
the instructions. You guys might want instructions. Okay, I saw my dad do this.
But Peyton, don't break it because it's old track for you awesome.
All of these RC cars come with 2 batteries.
And charger.
And a charger. Now let's do the epic thing. Okay guys, we are going to be charging these overnight and we'll see you in the morning and start driving these RC cars. Oh, but wait, I saw that Colby's Challenges is going to be having a race with these RC cars. So make sure you guys go and check out Colby's Challenges. Guys, we got all of our cars charged up and now we are going to go.
Oh, this is yours. That's
Yep.
mine.
Whoa. Doing a speed test. When Dad says 3, then we're going to go.
3, 2, 1.
Right now, we're going to be doing a speed, a ramp test if they can win on the wheels.
Now we are going to be doing the turning test.
I really like this car because somehow whenever it does this, it kind of lands, but I think it's because of these little things where they bounce.
Shocks.
Yeah, little socks, so that it won't break.
What about you, Peyton? You like your RC car?
I love my RC car because it's really cool and it's one of those ones that are like stretched, and I love this so when it bumps it doesn't wreck the front of the RC car and it doesn't wreck like this part. It only can wreck this one.
So you guys like your Baja Buggies?
Yep, we love those.
Are they a thumbs up, guys?
Oh yeah, but we both named ours. Mine is Zoomer.
Mine's Speed Tester. No
Perfect.
speeder.
All right. Is that another episode of the Kids Cam complete?
Oh yeah. We're watching another episode of the Kid Cam, but before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Monster Trucks!